back to another video. Today I'm here on Rec Room to show you how to use the maker pen and the basics of it, like just the simple functions of the buttons and how to spawn an object. So that's what we're gonna learn first. Open up your backpack and access your stuff. Use the maker pen, then grab it, then open it, which in PC is F. Then you have this whole bunch of buttons. There's edit, but we're gonna focus on that later. First, let's now spawn a new object. Now open up your palette and then go to the section called props. Then you can spawn in anything that you want. There are sections in the right, the filters, which you can choose weapons, sports, decor, kitchen, toys, creative, furniture, and dynamic. Dynamic can be used to make maps, and the decor is just the random stuff that you see around the Rec Room originals. Personally, I love buckets, so I'm gonna be spawning in one. How you spawn in, you just tap on where you want to spawn it. So I'll just put it right over here. And also, if you make a mistake of placing it somewhere, just like this, just like that, you can delete it by using the delete button in the maker pen menu. So just right here, it says remove an object. It's pretty straightforward. You just click on it. But if you use the freeze, you can't delete it because, again, if you freeze it, you can't edit or delete it or anything. So as you can see, I'm gonna freeze the sword. I won't be able to pick it up then, but if I unfreeze it, I'll be able to pick it up and edit it, delete it, and do all the stuff that I want with it. So yeah, that's all about freezing. The next thing is the edit button, which you have to create with this orange blob or anything that you actually created from the palette, from the shapes, not spawned in. So there, I made a circle, press done editing. Now if I click edit, it's just going to start off where I left. So I go back from that circle and then I make another circle. There we go, 2 circles now. And then click done editing again. So that's technically just the edit button. It's just create, but it's gonna be in the same thing. Next is the select button. This is just selecting multiple objects to act on together. So I can select this, and this to like move, delete, or anything else. So yeah. Next is moving. It's just pretty simple. Since we selected these, I'm just gonna select one thing to move. So you just unselect it by clicking it again. Then I click move. Then you move whatever you need to move. So I'm going to try moving this. There we go. You can move it anywhere you want, just as long as you move it. That's one way of moving. Another way is with the arrows, but I don't usually do that. So for example, I'll move this coconut ball there. Yeah. Next up is the rotating. So rotating has 3 rotates, I believe. 1 X, Y. So it's 2 rotating. X and Y. Y is the one that it's going around, that it's flipping around. But the Y is side to side flipping. So yeah, that's rotating for you. The next is scale. Scale is very interesting. I think I find it quite amusing when I scale like random objects. So I think I'm gonna scale the basketball. So I should probably move it first and then scale. There you go. So you just click the item that you want to scale. Green is to make it bigger like that. Blue is to scale it to the side. So you get what I mean. Alright, then next is wire. So you can wire this button to a chip, like a game chip. I don't really know how to use that myself. So the configure button. The configure button is basically most of the functions of the buttons in one button, but with more advanced stuff. So here you can change the color, which is also the function of the recolor button, which I will be showing later. So you can choose from all these colors what you want to recolor, and then there's the basic settings. if you want it to be grabbable, if you want it to be climbable, if you want it supporting wall run. It also has all of these other random features, including the respawn settings, which I suggest you add to every single one that you have, and the delay of the respawn. So yeah, those are the notable settings that you can find with the configure button. Alright, now the next thing is called clone. So this thing, you can clone any type of object that you have that is not frozen. So I'm going to clone this grenade. Just drag it like that. And yeah, that's just the basics of clone. Next is Recolor, which is, as I said, can be done with the configure button, but this one I think has more color variants. So to edit the color, you have to open your palette, and then you go to shapes, then you go to colors. So you can select your colors from that. I'm not sure if this one has more choices with the one that's in the configure, but I don't know. It just looks that there are many choices, so you can edit the colors of the grenades or anything that you see. And yeah, so we actually did the freeze and the delete already. So what's left is the manipulate button and the make an invention button. The manipulate is just to manipulate a single piece, but I think that's just technically like scale, but in a different type. There's more complex stuff to it. Yeah, and there's make an invention. Saves objects to spawn anywhere, meaning you can save an object or save your invention to make it an invention in the store. I myself have done some stuff like that before. But yeah, that's the end of the tutorial, guys. If you did enjoy, please consider liking, subscribing, and tuning in for more content. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.